What it do, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best money making apps for everyone at any age. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing in this video. Now, before I get into these apps, please guys follow me on Instagram, and it's @AppGrind. I'm also giving away some free money once I reach 1,000 followers over there. So go ahead and follow me over there. Drop me a DM if you have any questions. And also, please guys, look for that code word that's going to pop up in this video, and type it down in the comments below when you see it. And that's going to help you increase your chances on winning some free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because these apps are the best apps out there, and you don't want to miss out on making this money with these apps. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these apps. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Healthy Wage. So it's healthywage.com. Now, I'm going to show you the app for this site, and I'm going to show you 2 more apps. So let me go ahead and tell you about this one so I can get ready to go to the next one. So I'm going to go through this pretty quick. So just listen closely. So this app right here pays you to lose weight. So let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So number 1, you're going to calculate your prize. So use your calculator to enter your goal and calculate your winnings. Number 2, make your bet. Increase your winnings by adjusting your goal weight, how much you contribute, and the time you expect it to take. Find a prize you like and make your wager. Number 3, lose your weight. So you're going to lose the weight and stay on track throughout the contest with weekly weigh-ins and support from other contestants. And number 4, the grand finale, win money. So you meet your goal and win your prize. It's that simple. And this site has been mentioned on Good Morning America and Today's Show, and also been mentioned in the Washington Post. So this is a very, very reputable site. And let me go ahead and go to the app right quick, and let's look at a review. Okay, I'm in the Google Play Store, and when you look for this app, you're going to look for Weight Loss Bet by Healthy Wage. So let's just scroll down here and look at the review. So the rating is 4.6 out of 5 stars. That's Excellent, guys. Very, very excellent. So this is a very good app. And let's look at a review. Christina says, I love that you can verify your weight from home with your camera instead of requiring a signed note. The challenge are helpful to keep you on track with your weight loss along the way. So that person is very, very happy with this app. So guys, if you want to make some money just losing weight, go ahead and go to healthywage.com, then come to the app and look for Weight Loss Bet by Healthy Wage. Now let me go ahead and go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the second app, and the name of this app is Dosh. So this is a money-making saving app. So you're going to make money by saving it. So it says here, Dosh, save money and get cash back when you shop. So when you shop, you're going to get cash back, and you can make some good money from this type of app. I've talked about this app in the past before, but I want to bring it up again because it's one of the best apps, best money-making apps for any age. So it says here, get automatic cash back when you shop as usual at thousands of brands, over 600,000 hotels, guys. And get cash back on hotels, make money while you shop and eat, real cash and yours to keep, refer friends and share the wealth. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more right quick. So here are the 5 reasons you're going to love using this app and earn some cash back. So pay with credit card and get cash back, and cash rewards and money back whenever you shop and dine out, cash back when you book a hotel, 40% cash back, and mobile offers are here. Open the Dosh app, find your favorite brands, tap shop from the app to launch the brand website. And number 5, use your cash rewards however you want. Transfer your cash into banks, Venmo, PayPal, and even donate to charity. So guys, this is a good app. This is a good app. Now let's look at the review right quick. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.5, which is excellent. Just like the other app. This is just like the other app. 4.5. The other one was 4.6. This is 4.5. Okay, let's look at a review right quick. So this person right here says, love this app. You don't really have to do anything. Just add your credit cards. Every time you purchase or go groceries or do groceries in Walmart, Sam's, or other places, they will credit to your account money. Love it. So this person loving it. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you want to go ahead and download this app and start making some money, getting cash back, just go to Dosh. Now let me go to the last app. Okay, I'm at the last app, and the name of this app is Mercari, the selling app. So now definitely this app right here, any age, anybody, it doesn't matter, you're teenager all the way to over 50, you can use this app because you're going to be selling stuff. Everybody has clothes. Everybody has items they can sell. And this is the site you can come on and sell it. So let's just read a little bit about it right quick. So selling is fast and easy. Less than minutes. Just take a few photos and add a description and set your price. Listing is free. So no meetups. All items are shipped. Printable shipping label. emailed to you when your item sells. Just print and ship. Up to 70% off all the brands you love. Great stuff, new and used. Over 350,000 items for women, men, and kids. We've got your back, money back guaranteed. So they're talking about the customers that come here and buy from this app. But all you have to do is just list your item and it's going to sell, guys. It's going to sell. So let's just go ahead and look at the review and the rating. So the rating out of 5 stars is 4.5. Here's another good app with a good rating. So you got to check out this app, guys. Now let's look at one review here. Let's look at this review. Alyssa, she says, love this app. But the most recent update, it seems like there are more bugs than before. Now they got a new update. They don't like the bugs. I'm sure the people that run this app is going to respond to that and fix the issue. So don't worry about it, guys. The little bugs that might pop up on here. This is the app you need to use if you want to sell some stuff. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps that I talked about. And please look out for that code word. Don't forget to type it down in the comments below so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting the brother. And I'm going to keep dropping these videos and keep dropping this important content that will help you increase your income and be more successful in life. One more announcement before I go. I have a podcast show and it's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. I try to do it once a week. And on there I talk about how you can start a business and how to make your business even more successful, and also how you can be successful as a person in life. And I give tips, strategies, and habits. So go check out my podcast called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And it's in the description and also in the comments below. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.